Hi, I'm Haley Menard from the Sugar Burger, and today we are going to celebrate the luckiest of all holidays, St. Patrick's Day. In true American tradition, we're going to put down some Guinness in the form of this Guinness cake. And making it is quicker than an Irish goodbye. So let's go. The most important ingredient in this cake is the Guinness. And you know you've made it when you have Guinness on tap in your home. Or you haven't made it and it's a problem, but I think it's the first. Also, I want to bring attention to my beautiful mug collection in my home. It's one of our prized possessions. We're only up to 4, but I think we're gonna get more. And they have Dalmatians. First time he's seeing this. He's super excited about it. All right, I'm done showing off. I'm gonna pour this Guinness, 1 cup. It's scary because I don't want to overflow it. It doesn't really foam like beer, which is nice. All right, now we have to walk this all the way over to the counter. So you don't need to see this part. All right, so now we're gonna mix the Guinness with our butter. This is 2 tablespoons, and I'm holding it in the air like this because I stole it from my daily butter dish here and I didn't have anywhere else to put it. So 2 tablespoons plus a stick is gonna go in this saucepan, raccoon hands, with your Guinness. All this is gonna go on the stove and we are going to just heat it until the butter melts. So the butter is melting into your Guinness and then we're gonna move on to the next steps. I'm gonna put this on like a 6 because I'm impatient. That's probably ill-advised, but it's worked before. Now we wait.
How long?
I don't know yet.
Should I still record?
Yeah, we could do other things. You wanna do other things? Okay, let's do other things. All right, let's get the bowl. We're gonna use this guy, and in the mixing bowl, we are using 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt or sour cream. I tend to use Greek yogurt because that happens to be what's mostly in my fridge. The great Nigella Lawson calls for sour cream. Just thwap that in there. And then, 2 eggs. So it says 2 large eggs, but the ducks are just being super inconsistent right now. So we got a large guy and then this weird halfie. This is like a friggin' quail egg and this one's like a turkey egg. So I figure it'll even out. So we're gonna pop these guys in here. What? Did you just see that?
The one was huge.
Because there was another tiny egg in the egg. What just happened? This is so St. Patrick's Day. How lucky. Well, I think lucky. Should I put this egg in it too? Wow. What are they doing out there? What are they doing out there? Nate, come look at this. This little egg was inside this egg.
What? Is it hard?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a fully formed, hard.
Oh, that's super weird.
Should I put it in here?
Mm-hmm. Can you crack it?
It's so little, it's hard to.
It's just egg whites.
It's just, but no, look at. There's the tiniest hint of a yolk. Can you see this? I can't tip it, I'm gonna lose it. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right. Luck, I guess. Or we're gonna get sick. Tomato, potato. All right, and I don't know what's gonna happen when I crack this one now. I'm excited. Regular. That's not, it's all right, Okay, 2 eggs. What else goes in here? I'm so flustered. All right, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Kirkland's best. It's a lot of vanilla, but it's a special holiday. So I'm gonna whisk all this together. I like to break the yolks with the whisk first. I feel like it makes it easier. That looks pretty well combined, if I had to call it. So when our Guinness and butter finish melting, we're gonna add cocoa powder, a ton of cocoa powder, 3/4 of a cup, and 2 cups of sugar. And those are gonna dissolve in the mixture because they'll still be pretty hot. And then we're gonna add all that into our bowl in addition to some flour and leavener and stuff that we're used to using. So now we're just waiting on this pot I thought hours went by with how entertaining that was. That was crazy. Wild. All right, well now we wait. Now we can't do any more things.
Okay, make sure you clap.
All right, butter stick, as you can see, has been melted. She gone inside the Guinness. It's hot enough to get this sugar and cocoa dissolved. So this is 2 cups of sugar. It's a lot of sugar. This is a, if you don't want that much sugar, eat a banana discussion moment. So we're gonna whisk that in. It smells good. Can you smell it? It smells good. It smells like brown bread right now. All right, and now we're gonna do cocoa powder. This is the hardest guy to mix in because it's like all dry and clumpy, but we'll get there. You just have to have a little patience. It is satisfying to see it dissolve though. Alrighty, now that we have a cohesive chocolate mixture, pretty and chocolatey, we're going to add it to our magical lucky egg mixture. Just like slow, because there's eggs in here. You don't need to do anything crazy. Don't want to cook them. All right, I don't see any egg chunks, so we're happy about that.
Sounded like someone was peeing.
Yeah, really. I felt differently, like a different thing was happening, but like, you know. Okay, last piece, we have our flour and our leavener. So 2 cups of flour, 2.5 teaspoons of baking soda. It's a lot of baking soda. You listen, be careful with this stuff. I don't like to baking soda bomb people. So you can either whisk it up with the flour first, or like if you're feeling like you're having a lazy night, I just like run it through my fingers. Make sure there's no super clumps. Because if someone eats a clump of baking soda, it's gonna take them out for a minute. It's gonna be super uncomfortable. All right, same thing. We're just gonna whisk her in. So baking soda, baking powder, eggs, vinegar mixed with baking soda, etc. all make things rise. So baking soda usually needs an acid to make things rise. So you'll see it paired a lot with like vinegar, probably a buttermilk recipe. I think buttermilk can be acidic, or yogurt. Baking powder does not, or I have it backwards. But either way, no one's gonna question you on that. No one's out here knowing that. All right, she's mixed in. You don't wanna go too crazy mixing things. It's gonna make it taste bad. It's gonna be like tough and all that. We're done mixing. We're gonna get a springform pan to put this in. This is the 2nd episode in a row I've used a springform pan, and I haven't used this springform pan in years. So he's like working right now. He's probably like super tired. Like, oh my God, I thought I was retired. But here we are. We have our pan with the history scratches on it, going into the spring mold. And you just give her a close. And I'm gonna use silicone to put on the bottom so we don't get stickage there. And then I'm going to spray and flour the sides like I always do to prevent stickage there. I'm not actually sure why this recipe uses a springform pan, if I'm being honest, but I'm not gonna like go off book with that. That's insane. All right, let's get our spray and our flour. Don't look in here, Susan. All right, here we go. We'll spray whatever spray tickles your fancy. This is avocado spray. And we're gonna do some sprinklage and spank. Let's get all this into our springform pan. You can see it's already starting to have action. It's like got like rising bubbles in it. Now I have to consult with the oven thermometer to make sure we're at 350 degrees. Yep, it's true. So 350 degrees for this guy. Think about 40 minutes. It's like a long baking situation. Don't open the oven. Wait until the 40 minutes is up. I was gonna say now we wait, but we can make the frosting. Let's make the frosting. This has a cream cheese frosting, but it's like not super sweet. It's like really, really good. There's not a ton of sugar for as far as frostings go. So cream cheese based, confectioner's sugar, heavy cream. Easy peasy. So let's make some frosting. Here's our 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 8 ounces of cream cheese that has been softened to room temperature, and then we're gonna use confectioner's sugar. Let's start by creaming together cream cheese. Not reusing this box, Susan. Oh, it's fighting me. Cream cheese in, and then a cup and a half of this. I like fluff it up, make a mess. Toss that in there. Oh my God, it's bad. It's bad back here. You can't see it, but I am making a mess. Okay, we're gonna cream this first and then add the heavy whipping cream. It's fine. I'm just gonna add in like what we probably lost. It's clumping. It clumps before it creams. I'm gonna turn it up even a little more. Look, it looks totally different now. It looks totally different. Before I add the heavy whipping cream, I'm just gonna zhuzh things around because we already lost enough ingredients from me being reckless, so no need to lose any more. Half a cup of cream is in. We'll start it off slow, like responsible adults. So heavy cream, as you may know, makes whipped cream. Although I did have a boyfriend one time say, oh, I thought you needed a factory for that. That's a true story. So no, it's just whipped cream is cream that is whipped. So it gets bigger in volume, right, when you whip it. So just give this a couple minutes to get like the full effect of adding your heavy cream. And maybe a scritch down. Top speed. That's gonna do it. So it's thickened. She's thickened up to put on top of our cake. Decoration-wise, we have a couple options. The Queen Nigella says to just like pop it on top and make it kind of look like the foam on top of a Guinness, which is like super easy. You could pipe it, but this stuff doesn't stand up super well. I'm thinking we go with the foam suggestion and then maybe add some like flair. Because you know I love to go into the decorations drawer. I think that's what we'll do. Let's wait for our cake to come out and then we'll get frosting. Do I need to clap?
Yeah, we definitely
Mitten clap. The buzzer went off. You weren't here for it. We were eating chicken wings. Buzzer went off. Here we go. Let's pull this guy out. All right. We're gonna toothpick him. Where did I put my toothpicks? Oh, all right. Let's see. I think he might need a couple more minutes and I can hear him talking still. We want the cake to shut up a little more than that. Like you can hear the bubbles going cooking. Let's do like 3 more minutes. Let's not get crazy. All right. I can smell the Guinness. Okay, we like that better. And she stopped talking so much. So oven off, the cake's coming out. Ugh. She's a big fat girl now. There's this little spot right here where it dips a little. And I think that's because I opened the oven before she was like totally done. But I just am gonna put more frosting in that hole. No one's gonna know. We'll wait for her to cool and then put her makeup on. That's it. Now we gotta wait.
Dirt bike fresh?
Yeah. I think we're gonna have to, I mean, it's colder and there's a wind chill. Oh, go Miko, go, make the door. Oh, jeez. All right. Oh, yes, 37 degrees. Oh my God, my foot just. It's ridiculous. You were just like. All right, fresh inside from the outdoors of hypercooling, we have our cake. So I'm gonna uncloak her. I like springing this off. Bada bing. That wasn't as springy as I would have liked it. And then, zhuzh. Oh, you know what I should have done? And I didn't, I panicked because of the camera. I go around the edge with a knife to not have what just happened happen. So that was a live learning experience. She died. I didn't knife that part. Okay. Now that she's out of the springform pan, I'm going to, now I'm like nervous, flip it and take off our silicone mat and pop it on a plate that's more suitable for like, okay. No. Yes. All right, that worked out nicely. I don't know what we're gonna do about this side. I can't believe it ripped off. Good though. This is worth dirtying another dish. Ta-da! Is she showing her bad side again? Stop that. You know what we could do? If they want it to look like a beer cup, we could make it look like it foamed over the side. Art. Innovation. So now we have this beautiful frosting. Just gonna plop on. Spread it around. I guess it kind of looks like the foam on a Guinness. Yeah, we'll just keep it situated this way. Okay, so she's frosted. She's ready. And I think we're just gonna add some like green sprinkles in honor of St. Patrick's Day. Pretty-ish. She looks very homemade. I have piped this before and it looks way better, but you know, you gotta try the original suggestion sometimes. So let's get our expert in here and give the old Guinness cake a try.
Clap.
All right, are you ready to try the Lucky Egg Guinness cake?
Lucky egg? Is that what you're calling it?
Well, I am now.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna slice it.
Do you need a pint of Guinness to go with it?
Yeah, sure. All right, you do that. Slice the cake. It is sliceable. Oh, it was a little hot when we frosted it because we don't have all night. It's like people got to go to bed and it's fine. Susan, don't let him see this. He's gonna ding me. Oh my God. I feel like I'm on one of those baking shows where like, you have 12 minutes to bake a cake and cool it. Oh my God. I'll just try this part. I don't know. It tastes very good. Okay, hurry up so I can put this in the fridge because if I bring that to work tomorrow, people are gonna be pissed if that's all melted.
Oh, it's dripping.
Okay, yeah, go. All right, everyone got a good look at this cake. Don't look in here, whatever you do. This is chaotic. Oh my God.
It's good all over me.
That's what she said.
That is good.
Did you say, wow, that's good? We got a wow. Does it go with it?
Oh yeah. You gonna try it?
Yeah. We're dieting because it's lunch, so I'll just take one bite.
Oh,
Really good.
it's really good.
I don't have to count it. It's one bite. It is good with it. Oh, two
Double
thumbs
thumbs
up.
up.
Two thumbs up. All right. It's Leprechaun Nate approved for St. Patrick's Day.
I love a good Guinness.
Yeah. Get a good Guinness in.
Can't go wrong.
That's it. Then an Irish goodbye. So keep your eye on the show and nope, I'm gonna do that again, but I think I'm going in a good direction.
Are you gonna clap?
Yeah, I'm gonna clap for luck. Oh God. Oh, Dalmatian there. Whatever. People will eat it at work before they see this video. It doesn't matter. You're putting on a hat before you're on camera? Oh, all right. Well, you see it. I can't hold this forever. This is crazy. I've never seen this happen before. I need to Google this. Is this like twins? Wow.
Wow!
I don't remember what I used this for, so I'm gonna let it rinse.
Speak again.
Speak!
Oh yeah, that's...
All right,
Oh shit, I was... Okay.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. It got me in the lip. Okay, I have one toothpick left, so it better be ready. Oh my God, what happened to the espresso machine? No, you're not going out right now, honey. Oh my God. Miko, do you want to chew that somewhere else? Thank you for being part of the show. You can even chew it on the couch, like Daddy hates. Yeah, chew that right there. Well, you can be out here without it too. That's okay. Parenting, you know, am I right?
That looks good. You frosted it so quickly.
Oh yeah.
I couldn't believe it.
It's a plop and go situation.
You gonna take a bite like that?
Once we're done.
Okay. You didn't like the sign off? I didn't feel like there was more to say.